before 6 AM. We're walking to get the bus to Milford Sound. It's pretty cold.
An hour and a half's drive of Queenstown. So in the winter it becomes a
We got off the bus for a brief stop at Tianao. Got a pie. Was it good?
Yeah.
We just went. Yeah, so a little bit further to Milford Sound. Bus is pretty good. Wi-Fi doesn't work, obviously, but it's pretty comfortable. Tour guide's pretty good. So yeah, it's quite nice here. Cool, and got like 5 minutes to spend here. 5 minutes more.
the sheep yards. Now that's because the sheep because this water contains glacial flour and it's carried down in the water, and when the light shines on that glacial flour it reflects the light. Yeah, we had somebody killed here at just before Christmas, a climber on Mount Cook. Too many rocks to move, so they had to build a new road.
Glacial water from the stream. How does it taste?
Hanging glaciers. And those bloomin' we love the Aussies, you know. And in this park.
So we just got onto the cruise. The boat's pretty packed, mainly at the front and at the top where all the seats are, but we found some seats around the side. Should be pretty good. The pastrami mega roll. Tweet. It was a long bus ride back, but we're finally in the city centre or town centre, whatever it is now. Just picking up some fish and chips because I'm starving, and then I'm going to head back, leaving Queenstown in the morning, but yeah, just eating for now. Okay, got my fish and chips, and I just found out that this place existed, but it'd be a nice place to sit. Saturday night, so everyone's going crazy, a lot of party going on. Yep, so Milford Sound, really cool. Bus ride back just felt like forever, so pretty tired, a lot of sort of driving around and sitting on the boat and stuff. Be cool to like go there and actually explore and stop and stuff, but yeah, just really good views. Had the fish and chips, still a bit hungry, so I'll have some snacks when I get back. But yeah, plan is to check out at Queenstown tomorrow morning, stay in Cardrona tomorrow night. It's only about an hour's drive away, but yeah, anyway,